Preventing Scoliosis Progression. Chapter 4. The MTHFR and COMT Combo. When it comes to understanding scoliosis and why some people's curves get worse while others stay the same, one big piece of the puzzle is genetics. Some genes can affect how your brain works, how your body handles stress, how your hormones stay balanced, and even how strong your bones are. Two of the most important genes to know about are called MTHFR and COMT. They each play a special role in how your body works, and when someone has variants or changes in both of these genes, it can increase the risk of scoliosis curve progression. Let's take a closer look at why these two genes matter and what you can do to support your body if you have them. What is the MTHFR gene? MTHFR stands for methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase, a long name for a very important gene. This gene helps your body use folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate is essential for a process called methylation. Methylation happens in every cell of your body and affects lots of things, like how your body gets rid of toxins, how you make brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, and even how your DNA is repaired. When the MTHFR gene doesn't work properly because of a variant, it's harder for your body to turn folate from food or regular supplements into a form your cells can actually use. That means important systems in your body, like detox, mood balance, and energy production, might not work as well. You may feel tired more often, get overwhelmed easily, or have trouble focusing or staying calm. In some cases, MTHFR variants have even been linked to problems with bone health, which matters a lot in scoliosis. What is the COMT gene? COMT stands for catechol-O-methyltransferase. This gene helps your body clear out stress chemicals like adrenaline and neurotransmitters like dopamine. It also helps your body process estrogen, one of the key hormones that changes during puberty, especially for girls. When the COMT gene doesn't work efficiently, your body has a harder time shutting off after stress. That means the stress chemicals can stay in your system longer than they should, keeping your body in a tense, on-edge state. People with COMT variants might feel anxious, overwhelmed, or emotionally drained more often. And because COMT also helps break down estrogen, problems with this gene can lead to hormone imbalances, especially during growth spurts or puberty, which is when scoliosis tends to get worse. Why the MTHFR and COMT combo is so important. It's one thing to have a variant in just MTHFR or COMT, but when someone has variants in both of these genes, it can create a much bigger problem. That's because the two genes are connected through the same pathway in the body, called the methylation pathway. When both genes are not working properly, several important body functions can become overloaded or break down. Here's how the MTHFR and COMT combo can increase the risk of scoliosis progression. More stress, less recovery. COMT clears out stress chemicals like norepinephrine and adrenaline. MTHFR helps make the nutrients that support a calm, balanced mood. When both genes are struggling, your body feels stress more intensely and has a harder time calming down afterward. Long-term stress can tighten muscles, throw off posture, and even affect how your spine grows. Poor hormone balance. COMT also clears out estrogen. If your body can't do that well, you may have too much estrogen compared to progesterone. This imbalance can make bones weaker and joints more flexible, two things that may increase the risk of a spinal curve getting worse. Trouble making brain chemicals. Both genes affect how your body makes and balances brain chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and melatonin. These are important for mood, focus, sleep, and posture control. If these chemicals are out of balance, it can affect how your brain controls your spine and muscles. Less detox power. Methylation, which MTHFR supports, also helps your body remove toxins and waste. When detox is slow or weak, it can affect how well your body repairs itself. This could make it harder to respond to scoliosis treatment like exercises or therapy. What are the signs you might have this gene combo? You can't see your genes just by looking in the mirror, but there are some signs that may point to MTHFR or COMT variants. People with these gene combinations may feel anxious or stressed easily, have trouble sleeping or relaxing, feel tired or foggy even after rest, have hormone-related issues like irregular periods or PMS, get headaches or feel moody for no clear reason, have a family history of scoliosis, depression, anxiety, or learning challenges. If these sound familiar, and especially if scoliosis is already part of the picture, it may be helpful to get tested for MTHFR and COMT variants. Genetic testing is easy and only requires a saliva sample or cheek swab. The good news: you can support these genes naturally. Here's the part that gives hope. You can support these genes with natural methods. Even if you have the MTHFR and COMT variants, there are things you can do every day to help your body work better. 1. Use the right kind of folate. If you have an MTHFR variant, your body can't use regular folic acid very well, but it can use a special form called methylfolate. Look for supplements that contain L-methylfolate or 5-MTHF. These help bypass the MTHFR gene problem and give your body the active form of folate it needs. 2. Support methylation with key nutrients. To keep methylation working, your body also needs other nutrients like B12, B6, magnesium, and zinc. These help your body stay energized, detoxify properly, and make neurotransmitters. Taking a high-quality B-complex supplement is a good way to support this. 3. Balance hormones naturally. Since COMT helps clear out estrogen, people with COMT variants may benefit from DIM, diindole methane, or calcium D-glucarate, two natural compounds that help the body break down estrogen safely. Eating plenty of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale can also help. 4. Manage stress and calm the nervous system. Because this gene combo makes you more sensitive to stress, calming the brain and nervous system is key. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing, yoga, time in nature, or even journaling. Supplements like L-theanine, magnesium glycinate, and adaptogens like ashwagandha or rhodiola may also help. 5. Eat a clean, whole foods diet. Avoid processed foods, artificial dyes, and too much sugar. These things can slow down methylation and increase inflammation. A healthy diet full of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats gives your body the tools it needs to keep genes functioning well. 6. Get enough sleep and movement. Both MTHFR and COMT variants can affect energy and sleep. Make sleep a priority and do regular movement like walking, stretching, or scoliosis-specific exercises. Exercise helps reduce stress and support hormone balance too. You are not stuck with your genes. The most important thing to remember is this: your genes may shape your risks, but they do not control your future. Knowing you have the MTHFR and COMT combo doesn't mean you should panic. It means you can make smarter choices. With the right support, you can help your body work with your genes instead of against them. By understanding this powerful gene combo and taking action early, you can give yourself or your child the best chance at managing scoliosis and staying strong, healthy, and balanced for years to come.